Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. How can Meta ever truly survive if Apple and Google decide to weaponize their app stores? Why is Meta licensing its secret VR operating system to rival hardware brands? How did a luxury eyewear giant become Meta's ultimate weapon to replace the smartphone? Why is Meta using click-to-chat ads to silently make traditional websites obsolete? How is Meta hijacking competitors' cloud networks to force Llama across the entire internet? 3. Channels. Meta delivers its digital software layers through ubiquitous native mobile app storefronts, web dashboards, and decentralized developer networks, while scaling its spatial footprint via physical direct-to-consumer partnerships and hardware retail ecosystems. 8 cases related to channels. Case 1: Native mobile app ecosystem surfaces, distributing core consumer touchpoints, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Threads, through the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Case 2: Meta Ads Manager Portal, a comprehensive web-based and mobile operational dashboard that serves as the single transactional channel for global advertisers to deploy marketing capital. Case 3: WhatsApp Business App Storefronts, dedicated mobile software channels designed for localized, standalone merchants to manage customer chat routing and catalog presentation. Case 4: Global Optical Retail Networks, physical partnership distribution agreements with global eyewear networks, e.g., EssilorLuxottica stores, to display, fit, and sell Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Case 5: Open source code repositories, distributing Llama model architectures and weights through platforms like GitHub, Hugging Face, and major cloud provider model catalogs. Case 6: Meta Horizon OS App Store, an immersive, hardware-native distribution ecosystem allowing spatial computing users to purchase and deploy games, social spaces, and workplace applications. Case 7: Meta AI Integrated Conversational Interface, an omnibus assistive conversational interface accessible directly within search bars, messaging groups, and wearable audio feeds. Case 8: Click-to-message conversion ads, direct add-to-channel paths that bypass traditional web landing pages, routing feed traffic straight into active consumer-to-merchant chat threads. For open-ended questions. How can Meta fully insulate its primary software distribution channels from sudden, adverse policy shifts or fee adjustments enacted by mobile operating system gatekeepers? What is the optimal operational mix between utilizing physical brick-and-mortar retail channels and direct-to-consumer e-commerce storefronts for spatial hardware sales? As search traffic moves from web browsers to conversational AI systems, how must Meta evolve its content discovery channels to remain a dominant traffic aggregator? What distribution channel conflicts occur when third-party cloud hyperscalers resell managed Llama instances directly to enterprise accounts? For explanations. The OS dependency tax vulnerability. Because Meta does not control native mobile hardware operating systems, it remains exposed to App Store policies, privacy modifications, and commission structures that can impact ad tracking efficiency. In-feed channel seamlessness, minimizing friction by transforming a standard content viewing experience directly into a transaction channel, e.g., Instagram shopping or click-to-WhatsApp ads, significantly elevates consumer conversion rates. The model distribution flywheel. By distributing model weights across every major cloud catalog, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Meta ensures that any enterprise, regardless of their legacy cloud infrastructure vendor, can access Llama effortlessly. Experiential hardware distribution. Spatial computing devices and smart glasses cannot be fully understood through text or video advertisements. Physical display channels are required to let consumers experience spatial overlays firsthand. For implementation plans. Plan 1. Horizon OS hardware licensing expansion. License Meta Horizon OS to third-party hardware manufacturers, such as Asus and Lenovo, to build a multi-brand hardware channel ecosystem that mirrors the Android model. Plan 2. Deep-linked in-chat merchant settlement channels. Scale native financial settlement features directly within WhatsApp channels in emerging markets to make external browser checkouts obsolete. Plan 3. Direct experiential pop-up retail footprints. Launch high-end experiential kiosks in major premium shopping corridors during peak holiday cycles to showcase spatial computing interactions. Plan 4. Automated SDK syndication. Standardized software development kits, SDKs, for Meta AI integration, allowing third-party web platforms to embed Meta's chat tools with minimal code adjustments. For implementation processes. Process 1. Core application deployment engineering updates code repository, then automatic build compilers create app packages, then packages submitted to Apple or Google review pipelines, then updates distributed to billions of mobile endpoints via app stores. Process 2. Advertiser onboarding pipeline. Merchant navigates to business.meta.com, then links credit identity, then provisions pixel tracker on external website, then configures tracking parameters, then launches ad campaign through unified web portal. Process 3. Hardware retail activation loop. Consumer buys smart glasses at retail shop, then unboxes device and downloads MetaView application, then pairs via Bluetooth, then authenticates via Instagram login, then device content stream channel goes live. Process 4. Enterprise AI model access. Developer initiates cloud compute account, then navigates to partner model marketplace, then selects verified Llama model variant, then instantiates secure endpoint, then initiates production API calling. For actionable recommendations. Decouple app stores via direct web ingestion. Expand alternative direct web download frameworks and progressive web app (PWA) pathways where legally permitted to reduce exposure to App Store ecosystem rules. Turn WhatsApp into a prime merchant portal. Position the WhatsApp business application channel as a complete lightweight CRM system for global SMBs, removing their reliance on separate third-party software platforms. Establish strategic partnerships with global fashion alliances. Expand physical distribution footprints by locking in multi-year agreements with high-fashion eyewear groups, transforming tech wearables into mainstream fashion items. Open source the spatial workspace interface. provide free, enterprise-grade remote collaboration environments within the Horizon OS store to solidify the platform as a baseline channel for spatial office productivity. 4 to-do items. Analyze conversion loss tracking metrics resulting from updated data sharing parameters on iOS and Android. Audit hardware inventory allocation flows across physical retail partner networks to eliminate warehouse bottlenecks. Review API uptime performance metrics for enterprise merchants using high-volume WhatsApp communication channels. Track user onboarding dropout rates inside the MetaView app for smart glasses users. For practical techniques. Over-the-air, OTA, feature flagging, deploy small, server-side feature changes to specific application cohorts without requiring a complete, formal App Store update cycle. Deep linked context routing. Engineer custom ad URLs that pass precise user contextual intent directly from an application feed into an exact, pre-configured product view inside a messaging app thread. Ecosystem telemetry monitoring. Track application loading times and rendering performance across thousands of distinct Android hardware configurations to prevent localized churn. Distributed mirror model hosting. Partner with global content delivery networks, CDNs, to cache open-source AI weights regionally, ensuring rapid download access for global developers. For practical steps. 1. Map the absolute traffic journey of an active consumer from feed discovery to final product transaction. 2. Identify channel handoffs that require navigating outside of Meta's native application interfaces. 3. Replace those external web redirections with native in-app browser instances or direct messaging threads. 4. Compare end-to-end checkout completion percentages across native channels versus external redirections. Canvas Blueprint Matrix, Front-End Synergy. To evaluate the alignment of Meta's front-end market dynamics, this matrix connects core customer segments with tailored value propositions through optimized delivery channels. Customer segment, who, value proposition, what, primary channel, how. Performance SMB advertisers hyper-targeted conversion metrics, automated creative generation via AI Meta Ads Manager web dashboard or click-to-message feed units. Active consumers, family of apps, zero-cost global interconnectivity, personalized video feeds, embedded AI assistants native app stores, Apple or Google, or over-the-air software updates. Open-source AI developers state-of-the-art open model weights, Llama, zero software licensing tax, local control open repositories, GitHub or Hugging Face, or cloud partner marketplaces. Spatial hardware enthusiasts hands-free capture, audio translation, accessible mixed reality environments global optical retailers, Luxottica, or Meta Horizon OS App Store. Ready to decode the high-stakes distribution playbooks of the tech elite? If this breakdown of Meta's architectural channel strategies opened your eyes, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss our next corporate deep dive. Head down to the links in the description below to download the free study materials or handouts and instantly unlock access to our free, advanced chapter online tutorials. Finally, make sure to share this video with friends who need to understand where the future of digital and physical commerce is heading. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.